Meet Child Show. This is the biggest thing ever in GH. Also, what mentor 1 and I mentor 2. And also what the next big thing in GH. This is the super one, the classic one. Me know one artist studio says here. I'm a real rap. And I baby me boy.
Real rap, as you know.
Say Ayomso real music.
Real music.
Singer kesiye pa.
Singer kesiye.
What you come you jemu nyina.
More than that, cry. Not describing like that.
And to him, me ko break up. Me ba Bibi. Ebe chiro nyuma nkasa. The next big thing is right here. Bibi.
Lord Cage.
Me audience show. Chiro mo real rap.
Yes. Lord B.
Mani new monsem. Mani new monsem.
Lord B. Fancy show there, but I smell my Joe monsem. My the word know me say, Mr. Lord B show no, a big show. The kind of title of my first music is Hello Good Morning. Hello Good Morning. Everybody keep talking. Hello Good Morning. Everybody keep talking. Hello, good morning. Everybody keep talking. Okay, tie. Na me nim se me ne wala na eku. O ka me ho asem di chire kuchi to. Me sini na chire mfa me ho bi bra wonya de mo na kai dada no. Me ne o shaasi ya che shaasi free nsu ani. Wo didi machi nkakra ma manfo ke kanse me beni na odonti me de me do ni na hye wo mu. Me ko machi ya bani na ye dontira. Afi odo da ja makoda me subona ni afi me ko machi akodi ma me kwansuru do. Ma me na abada ye ne dia papa de wo de be kro atopre continue na chire no ma aduna ye se aduna oda kokko so. Wo hwede nyankopon be na ma wiase yetenase ma de o pa kire nti wiase bibia ye ntobo ase me wa botre sekonti henere ono ne ti apa cha ase ma manfu hu se wiase bibia ni ho a ensu nyame ye nti mi ka kire se hello good morning everybody keep talking. Hello good morning everybody keep talking. Hello good morning everybody keep talking. Hello good morning.
All right. This is the biggest thing ever in Ghana. I told you. He's the best lyricist now in Ghana. Bibi.
Yes, sir.
I'm on for a show.
I know.
I didn't motivate you, Maltonium.
The motivation of media, the motivating my tone, no. Not sometimes for me a sadness. And
sometimes now you're sadness.
Sometimes you're sadness alone. To me, tenacia. Now, as I'm doing, my name may be home. Some correction of histories, be now me combine. Come, so now say
the correction of histories and our collective histories.
Me collective histories and my brother boom. The way where this call me finding it difficult to life. To me, tenacia and titi and some tracks. Na mention motivate me say bi nipa ma no metimi ade combine words ni bi ama nipa so agari understanding about how Bibiara betimi ade a shasi afri ni Bibiara betimi akowie na me shasi esa
yes see as o hwebe ni ya our talent no e bia with little push no what be the biggest thing ever GH enya Meet Child Show me dame ho ba me ba Bibi what's a classic one? I'm an audience I day.
Lord B, I'm ready for that. I'm ready for that. Sanity, forgiveness. Try to forgiveness. Try to forgiveness. Be brown. Try to forgiveness. Try to forgive us. Try to forgive them. Try to forgive all. Try to forgive everyone. Team, Bijidi Ajemen Kwama Nadia Mensome Cansem for Fracture Wiasen. The BBF on between two BBO Bia Fache. Ya Boniface ni Juan Catcher, the Suniho. The Ben Kwana, the Ubia Bonia in Sedan. The Uncle never when you pay Pia Osha O Kane. Bijidi in our bread in Monte Bonibia now Bia Biano. Try for forgiveness. Try to forgiveness, be brown. Try to forgiveness, be brown. Okay, me the Bibiara Bɛyɛ na children no dia na so the becha me. Ye better trade wo ha intimidate chawa me dia chawa fala men kam wi atini na anti dia me paachere. Me gidie ni na anti se odopompo intimidate na mtebense aboa oni dua nya nyame ne pera ne ho da be na me nso no ma bi kire me dwale me ho akira mansen hu se da bi obi bi hia ne yonko obi bi hia ne doba e se wi asen saten ne na anya pe o tre unsa baako hye wuni aso na dia ka hwe ne so dua bo de adua kwadu na daache ni na nso be ba mfa so nti bibia ne eye fache odon ne nti ase ne ye adwuma
and now chorus me say chorus
forgiveness
try to forgiveness
yes man try to forgiveness achedi enti no da bia na medase ne hiam Ghana ne de obepepa woni su na yo yonko pane de obetwitwa wo na ntini e wo botuma ne na wosere ne mum na free onsan no bi a twene ho wansana su ne bibia oposa ne nsam sanso ne panni su ne bibia wa abatwe manu awoso brafo ahemfie ken rapaken in Ghana GH enti wiase ne bibia yento boase na ho pepere optumi pre ho pe muje wo sendodo amuja
what's now your king when it comes to GH rap?
I'm the king if we come to GH. I'm a role model is rap software, the king of what rapper.
A bravo na your mentor.
Bravo role model. Me role model, bravo.
Okay, but be a senior man of bravo will be no. Michael, where the wow crow, subna boy and the pushing or so only now no hell so soon.
Yeah, bravo.
And also chorus near say try to forgiveness.
Young fanche. Yeah.
I bet you some catch you. So also near ding. Bibi near ding channel.
Yeah,
also your talk. Bibi your talk.
Yeah,
sometimes channel.
No man. Yeah man.
Chorus refer the coming try to forgiveness. All right.
No.
It is meet child show. Make or break up.
Okay.
BB say, BB, the best lyricist in GH now. I also only na usiyo bravo. Also or nyumbako or last music. I was say
so dangerous. Ajene hu.
Jemuto.
So dangerous.
Manenya one phone sem.
So dangerous. Abrabone hunti no bia nim baby ada chene nso no ma bepie fa na mompa ne suban panante na dan kwama ya bodin power community ne so adie ne hunti ne ho aye de kana man ho obepo wo kra ho obebu na ni chie
eyo
matia hemfia chenti manu a wo sede manu a wo sebesen
eyo
me kwawe besin wie mebusa mesemesen aye kokko aboa wansane timule monsu da wo didida enti adie ne hunti hwa na montutu yi obetomire ka pos Kotiato, atamfo besros ni na chire no ma wabomumu makoni na mpatumre nsatien ni na anyepe obia ni abusia te se kwaye oben ho na obin se dua ni biasi ne ho ebiasi ni baabi nko nti so dangerous obi beyawa na esi aboa bi beka wa ne free untumem me busia fu ni na yi mama nti dan kwama menya bia mekai hwan mekai de oboa me ana mekai de so memu ye fru dua pa na epia ye bo pempem ne show den ya tini so ama be mansan ni na hu abrabo na ye den se bibi na ye den se twa pia sen dan se boa me nso no ma be hie nti me gusutie obrafo the rap king dance man in the boy make Charles is my mind fucking me no more money over bitch money bro.
What's it fuck me?
Money over bitches.
Mr. Fuck me, also Mickey Charles is my man.
Mickey Charles is my man, money fuck bitch.
Tu did matamana?
No.
Ah, baby.
No.
Me promote to some man for the hell.
I know, sir. I said Mickey Charles is my man. Money day.
I remember some okay.
I know, sir. I talk to you rather say big Mickey Charles.
So we'll say we're near thing. My father near dim part of the number studio. So you want to rap or you don't rap? Wait, Ricky Ross rap actually, Jay-Z, Jagger rap.
You know,
chorus on the assignment we dangerous, no chorus, no is it?
Chorus and dangerous, even.
No, to chorus, no community, so dangerous.
So dangerous, so dangerous, so dangerous, so dangerous, so dangerous.
Okay. So, oh yeah, raps. How many years in it?
I started rap almost getting to bed 10 years ago.
Sir.
Yeah.
No, sir. 10 years ago, no brap for me. No more fade out.
By now, I really listen them when a new track hit up by Peace FM. They give a track and mention the Obrafo, and I like the lyrics of Obrafo and the way he give the vibes, And in that time, I complete DHS 2012. In 2015, I start everything about music. When due to the financial problem of me and lack of what control of myself, like no money in the family to go up my education level,
to further your education,
to further my education. That's why music is my whole career.
I gotcha. So right now, anyone watching you should come to your aid to promote your music, and as I say,
that's why I'm looking for.
In the Casanomutio.
All my fans or all the fans who looking to the Mickey Charles show.
Meet Charles show.
Meet Charles show, yeah.
So now you're rap. No, what did you do? My time say Mickey Charles is my man. Fuck you.
No, that one there. Mr. Mickey Charles is my man. Money fuck bitches.
So MOB, man over bitches.
Man over bitches.
And you catch them for some money more. Yo, more chance in the castle.
Oh, nothing more to say to Mickey Charles fans.
Meet Charles show.
Meet Charles show. BBF Adams Brown is my name. If you're watching this, I need a help which can promote me to make my talents prove out. In sometimes I'll mention your name. This one help me, like the way Meet Charles is talking to me at the studio here. I want anyone who like my vibes or like the way I am to combine me or help me for my music, and the whole world know or around the GH music know that we have a talent in Ahafo, and the whole Ghana is watching Meet Show. In this day, my simple words I want to say is I need help.
You need help?
Yeah.
Your simple words you want to say is what?
I need help.
Masa asempayetia.
Yes.
Adrobeju wagona.
Atrema.
Mr. Gona. Also say atrema.
Atrema.
No problem. Ohiamwa nipa bema hiamwa.
Yeah, bema hiamwa.
Talent no.
Yeah, the talent no.
What's one yeting? What's your yeting pa? I don't say who me a most I don't say. Funny form, Katum,
funny form,
the funny thousand, Katum the funny thousand,
Katum the funny thousand.
Now, stage name you say?
My stage name is BBF.
BBF.
Bibiara Bɛyɛ fine.
Bibiara Bɛyɛ, I got you.
Yeah.
BBF, Bibiara Bɛyɛ fine.
Bibiara Bɛyɛ fine.
Everything is gonna be fine.
Everything is gonna be fine. Only my name, only my nickname that you use.
Alright, on this channel I don't discriminate. My brother got talent. He got talent. He needs support. Come to his aid and support him. He wants financial support.
Yeah, it's alright.
Oh, I'm gonna go. What should go? But
plenty.
Alright.
Not because of your efforts. Could not be studio like this. This is my first time at B studio.
First time we do like you are seeing it.
Yeah, this is my first time.
Oh,
this is my
first time we are will be at BBF in Kenny.
This is my first time.
Yes, so hit it first no. And now they are
oh, not be that. No be that.
Yes, so Croman now now hit it baby.
I know. The reason why they are saying that because of my voice and because of the music, saying the people's like those are singing, and many plenty girls come to me with a friend. That's why they say that I'm making a girlfriend that fall me down, not be that.
Girlfriend fall you down?
No.
And your man more for?
Debbie.
It's Kanaka.
Yes, Kanaka.
Gaza, real street rap.
Yeah.
Watch out, real street rap.
Yeah, man.
Meet Charles show and then do this here. That's in there. Many Bibiara Bɛyɛ fine, best bound chain with a classic show.
Forever. Yeah.
Two dogs play the game, right?
Yeah, no man. Yeah, everything.
All right.
But upon my music.
No, we're done, my guy.
Everything.
I said we are set on can read,
everything and
we are set on never debut.
The whole word no.
Oh yeah, rap with the matter mankasa.
I know.
Yeah, Minia, you do this here.